Hi guys, we are in my kitchen slash dining room, and I know it's been a while since I've done a doll review. I've been doing a lot of taste testing reviews and stuff, but I'm also going to be doing TV shows reviews. I'm going to pick a TV show and review all the seasons. And the one I'm going to start with is a classic, and it's one of my favorites, is Melrose Place. It has 7 seasons, and I'm going to sit through every episode and watch it, comment. You can see my reactions and everything else. And we'll try a couple episodes and see what you think, and if you like it, I will do more. Alright, so I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I worked a 10-hour shift, but that's okay. Bills don't take a holiday. No, they don't. That's part of being an adult. Alright, so anyways, moving on. This is what we're going to be reviewing today. Yes! And just to let you know, you do need some water. Yes. I got myself my own water. Yeah. Okay, so this is a Kindi Kids. Now, I don't know much about Kindi Kids, but, oh, by the way, this is the best water in the world. It's Sam's Purified Water. Yum. Anyways, so apparently they have a YouTube channel, which I'm going to check out so I can learn more. This one is Marsha, Mello Unicorn. Okay. So, let's take her out of the box and let's review her. She looks really cute. I like her. I like her big blue eyes. Look at those big blue eyes. And I like the rainbow color kind of hair. It's really cute. In her artwork, okay, if you look at her artwork, okay, she has no blue. No blue in her hair. But in the doll, she has blue hair. Yeah. So, the same. And apparently, if you look on the side, they have siblings or something, I guess. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take her out of the box. And let's see what this is all about. So, while we're doing this, let's talk. I can't wait for Christmas. Can't wait for December to pop around because I got some Christmas stuff to share with you all. Oh yeah. And holy gee willikers. Look at that. Look at all that freaking tape. OMG. Alright, parents. This is where the kids are going to need you. Just be forewarned. Yes. There's all this freaking tape. Yes. And it extends to the sides. Lord. They really don't want you to get into it, huh? So yeah. But, there's like so much tape and stuff. So, hope you guys found some Black Friday specials. I did on Amazon. Yay. Spent money I didn't need to spend, but, you know, hey. Can't take it with you. My Lord. Oh. So I hope life is going well for you guys. It's iffy here on my end, but it is what it is. Oh, I bought a microphone so I can set up with the phone so you can hear me better. Because I don't know, sometimes in some of my videos it sounds like you can't hear me. And sometimes you can. So, yeah. Oh, well, maybe not. Oh my lord. No. No, no, no. Oh. Just when you think you got them all, there's more. Yep. Lord Jesus. So, is there anything special you all want for Christmas? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you want for Christmas. I mean, FYI, I'm not buying anybody anything. So, don't leave a list and say, I'm expecting you to buy me this. Yeah, well, no, not happening. But, what are you looking forward for Christmas? I mean, what is something you've had your eye on that you wish somebody would buy for you? Or you want to buy for yourself? Finally. Well, no. Okay. Lord. Okay. And she's still got... Parents, you're going to have one hell of a time. Yes, you are. Oh, my God. Oh, my Lord. The hell? What is going on? Oh, my gosh. She's going to be a hot mess when I finally get her all out. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? This is crazy, guys. This is freaking crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. This is nuts. This is totally ridiculous. Okay. I'm not editing this out of the video. You're going to see this all because this is the crap you're going to have to go through. Oh my God. Are you serious? This is craziness. I'm trying to get her... What? They need a better way to do this, really, because this is ridiculous. By the time you get this all out and everything, I did not know it was going to take 2 6-packs, and a trip to the ER to get her out of the box. This crap out of her hair. This is crazy. This is chop her hair off and call it a day and tell the kid, be lucky you got a doll. Kind of craziness. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is nuts. let me tell you something. You did all this craziness to get her out of the box. Okay? Just for her to be bald in the back. I'm just saying, I happened to look at that. I'm like, what? Yeah, look at that. She's bald in the back. Yeah. And her hair falls out. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And it's uneven. Oh, yeah. See, like her hair is just coming out like crazy. She's shedding. First off, she looks nothing like the doll in the box. She has, this one has blue in the hair. This one, the box doesn't have blue in the hair. Okay? And then she's supposed to have like the unicorn thing on top. Yeah. This flimsy piece of felt thing. Yeah. Nope. She's totally bald. Yep. And then she doesn't even want to stand up. There she goes. Okay. Does she come with accessories? She comes with... And look at the contraption that kept her in the box. Like some torture device or something. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. So, she doesn't come with a comb. She doesn't. There's really no instructions except for what you see on the back of the box. Yeah. That's the instructions you get. Hold on. Yeah. So apparently, you're supposed to take this off. Sorry. You're supposed to take... Because she comes with this decal thing right here, if you can see. Yeah. You're supposed to take her off. Yeah. Well, okay, I got part of it off. Okay, it doesn't want to come off. Okay. So. Okay. This is what she looks like. Now, except for the fact that she's bald in the back, and except for the fact that it takes forever to get her out of the box, okay? She's cute. I'll give it that. She's got cuteness factor. Very cute. Okay? I mean, if you can overlook the baldness in the back, I mean, come on. That's like a lot of baldness. Yeah. But she is cute. I'll give you that. And then she comes with... Oh my gosh, really? This little kitty unicorn sponge thing. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Because you're supposed to dip it in water, and which I don't understand because I don't understand because you can kind of see it already. Yeah. And you have to keep moving her so she stands up. Yeah, because her head's so big. I think it's her head that makes you want to fall. But the baldness. The baldness is what gets me. And she has no comb. So. Okay. We're going to see what this does. Did it do anything? Okay, you can see a little star, I think. Mm. Um, okay, well, you know what, parents, grandparents, whoever buys toys, aunts, uncles, whoever buys toys, okay, if you're buying this for a little girl or a little boy, it don't matter, okay, you don't have to tell them. Oh, I was watching the wind outside as the trees are going crazy. We had a huge storm last night. It was freaking crazy. And now it's just windy outside. So yeah, Texas weather. So, if you don't tell them it, you need to put water on it or whatever. They'll never know. Okay, and you know, I'm not knocking the doll. Okay, because it is very cute. Yes, very cute. Yes, and it does remind me of a marshmallow. Now, did they go cheap on some things? Yes, they did. But you know, hey, I'm not the demographic op. You know, it's not made for a 46-year-old gay man. No, it is made for a little girl or a little boy who's probably 3 to 7. Yes, and this could be someone's very best friend. Yeah. So there you have it. You know, I like the pink hair, pink, yellow, blue, white, yellow hair. It's cute. She's very cute, very sweet. Yeah. So, I'm going to try and do doll reviews, toy reviews, and food reviews Monday through Friday. And then Saturdays and Sundays, I'm going to do movies and TV shows. So, like on Saturday, I'll do a TV show, and on Sunday, I'll review a movie. Yeah. So, we'll pick some ones that normally most people don't watch. And I'll talk you through it. So, she's really cute. Go pick yourself up one. I got mine at Walmart. Yay. So, you know, I got it on sale. So I don't know how much it originally was, but I paid $15. Yeah. So I don't know how much it was originally, but, you know, I think I paid 14 something. Might as well say 15. So I just wish it came with a comb. Well, probably it's better off if it probably didn't come with a comb because you just have freaking hair everywhere. Because, yeah, it sheds a lot. Just so you know. You're going to be vacuuming up hair like crazy. And it is a pain in the... Look. Look. Yeah, that's the hair. Look. Yeah. That's the hair. Okay. Yeah. You can see it. But yeah, that's the hair. Yeah. So, you're going to be vacuuming up hair like crazy. But anyway, some little girl, some little boy will have a blast. Yeah. And there's a YouTube channel where you can watch Kindi Kids. And so I'm going to check it out and see what Kindi Kids is. I just saw this and I said, oh, that's so cute. It made me think of a marshmallow. First, before I even knew what her name was, I looked at her and I said, you look like a marshmallow. Well, her name happens to be Marsha Marshmallow. Ta-da! So anyways, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, following, and all that good stuff. and I appreciate every one of you. I'm trying to reach 200 by the end of the year. Don't know what'll happen. I'm at 196. Didn't think I'd make 196. But somebody out there likes my videos. So, you know, just so you know, I don't always review the newest dolls out there. I review what I like and what I can afford. Because nobody sponsors me. Yeah. Nobody. So, it may not be the newest dolls. It may be something that I see that catches my eye. Or maybe I saw another YouTuber review a doll and I thought, ooh, I like that. I want to give you a look at her dress real quick. I forgot about her dress. But she's got this cute little skirt. And these pink shoes. They have wings on them. So I guess she can fly. And they're like unicorns. And she has this little unicorn thing on. So, she's very cute. Yes. So, go check her out. You know, you can probably catch her on sale. Wait till the holidays. You probably can catch her on sale. I'm sure. Target and Walmart and Amazon will probably have her on sale. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, liking, following, sharing, and all that good stuff. And just be forewarned, you know, it is going to take a minute to get her out of the box. And it is going to drive you crazy. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. Alright, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.